Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to add text to this image and make it look like this. So to watch how it happens, stay tuned. So to start with, this is an image which we are going to work with, and to add text, go to the text icon here and start adding text. So maybe I add 52 and pixels. The size is pretty small, so just first press enter, or maybe like move it and then press Ctrl plus T and increase the size. So this is our text, 52 pixels, and press enter. Now we want to change the color, so let's make it white. So that's it for now. We have created the text on our image. Now rename the layer. Let's name it layer 0 and take it over here above the 52 pixels layer. Now go to layer and go to create a clipping mask. So as you can see, the main image has gone and the image has been added into the text. So we can just move it around and adjust to whichever way we want it to be. And once you find that it's okay, it suits your image just the way you want it, then press enter. So this is the thing, and now we'll add a background to this image. So to do that, go to this plus icon over here. It will add a layer. Now to edit the color in the layer, again go to the layer and fill layer. So maybe we can use a gradient. Let's see how it goes. And this is the gradient, but we don't want that. So let's go to edit, go to fill, and contents we have foreground color, background color, anything. So foreground color is basically black color, background color is also black color in this case. Let's select color and make it a random color. So let's make it white only. So click on OK and take this layer over here. So as you can see, the text has been added to the layer which has white color. Now to add a gradient, as you know, we'll just go to FX, go to gradient overlay and select colors and then click on OK. So this is the gradient and this is the image that we created by cropping the image inside of the text. Well, that's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe to 52 Pixels and tap on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.